Well, just a little continuation of what I'm doing here. I decided to go ahead and double nut it and drill a hole through it, and I didn't have a cotter pin, so I just put a nail in there for right now. Next time I go up to Home Depot or Lowe's or something, I'll put the right thing in there, and then that makes sure that won't fall off and cause me problems. And in the course of using this here, these rear tires go flat all the time, and this one just went flat. I just aired it up. I'm going to take it off and see if we can see what's going on here. I'm thinking about taking it off and going up and having it filled with foam. And you can't believe how aggravated I am. I've tried to mow the grass, and I'm not only mowing my grass, I'm also mowing my neighbor's grass. They just had a procedure done, so I'm helping them out. So that comes out to almost 8 acres. So anyway, let's just take this off, and I'm use tools wherever I can. That comes off. That off, and it just comes off. We'll see if we can find the leak. I can already feel it. The air is going out of it. That looks like a culprit right there. I've got all kinds of burrs and all kinds of thorns around the property. A little soap on there, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but see those air bubbles? That's where my leak is right there, or one of my leaks, and I'll show you how I'm going to fix that. Alright, well, as you saw, we found the leak, and it looks like a little thorn, and all we're going to do is try and pull that out. And that's what that is. It's not a nail, that's just a little thorn that grows out here and punctures these tires. You can probably hear it hissing. And what you do is you take this little thing right here, and you just go in there like that. And then I've got some of these little things. You can buy all this stuff at the AutoZone or someplace like that. I don't know if I'm getting all that in the camera. And that little hole you made, you just take this little thing and you're just going to stick that in there like that. And voila. Now I could have taken this up to the tire place, and they probably would have charged me, you know, $5. Of course, if you go to one of the major chains like Tire Kingdom, I think the last time I had a tire fixed up there, it was $17, and that's kind of a rip-off when you just saw how easy it was to do it yourself. And my truck over there, I got a flat tire on it, like it was 2006 when it was new, and it's still got the same plug in it, doing this same thing right here. Of course, I did trim it off. And we can put a little more soap on it just to make sure it's not leaking. And there you go. No leaks, and that's just how easy it can be. But as soon as I get done mowing the grass, I'm going to find somebody to put foam in those darn tires, because this is a weekly thing here. Alright, if you've never used an air wrench before, these bolts, you need to put those on, get them started with your fingers first, because if you try to do it with that with that right there, you could cross thread these things, and then that will give you more problems. Got them started. Now we can let the tool do its job. I think that taking it off, getting it jacked up and all that, probably could have been done less than 5 minutes.